How to fix Instagram insights not showing. So if you have a creator or a business account within Instagram and you're not being able to load the insights, in this video let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now the first thing that you can do is try switching back to your personal account. So what you can simply do is head over to the hamburger menu on the top right, scroll down, and right here you'd be able to see the option called Creator Tools and Controls, and you'll be able to see the option of switching your account type. Just tap on this option, switch back to personal, and then again try switching back to creator or business depending upon what you want, and try to see if the issue is fixed. And now if you are able to view the insights, if the insights are still not visible, then in this situation what you need to do is try to reinstall the application of Instagram. What mainly happens in these situations is there are bugs within the Instagram application, and once you reinstall it, you will have the latest version. So these are the two things that you can try out in order to fix the Instagram insights not showing. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.